Freshvine is a popular church management software, but before making the decision to purchase, there are 12 key things you should know that could help you make an informed choice, especially when compared to other platforms. Stick around until the end, and we'll give you an alternative you can try for free. First off, Freshvine offers an easy-to-use interface. For those new to church management software, this can be a real relief. It's more user-friendly than other software options like Planning Center or Breeze, but it can still take some time to get used to all its features. Next thing, it includes powerful communication tools. You can send emails, texts, and even push notifications, all from within the platform. While other software like ACS Technologies has communication features too, Freshvine's integration across all channels feels more streamlined and less cluttered, which can save you time when reaching out to your congregation. The third thing to note is the robust reporting capabilities. Freshvine gives you deep insights into giving trends, attendance, and volunteer management. It's more flexible than what you'll find with some competitors, but be aware that it might require some learning to fully understand its customizable reporting features. The fourth thing is the donation management system. Freshvine allows for seamless online giving and tracking, which is a must-have for modern churches. Some alternatives, like Tithe.ly, are great for this too, but Freshvine's integration with payment processors is easier to navigate, offering more direct access to financial data in one place. Next thing, Freshvine supports multiple user roles, allowing different levels of access for staff and volunteers. While other platforms do this as well, Freshvine has an edge with a very clear and easy-to-assign permission structure, which can help reduce confusion and security risks. The sixth thing to know is its calendar and event management features. Freshvine's event management tools are simple but effective, and the calendar syncs across devices. However, it doesn't have the advanced features found in competitors like Planning Center, which offers more sophisticated event planning tools for larger congregations. Seventh, Freshvine is cloud-based, meaning all your data is stored safely online and accessible from anywhere. This is a standard feature, but it's still something worth noting for churches that need to stay connected, especially compared to older, more traditional systems that rely on local installations. The eighth thing is that Freshvine provides membership management tools that are great for tracking attendance, new visitors, and group participation. It's not as in-depth as what you might get with ChurchTrack, but it's certainly adequate for smaller to mid-sized churches. Next up, Freshvine is also mobile-friendly. The mobile app allows staff and volunteers to keep track of important details while on the go. While the app is functional, it's not as feature-packed or polished as other apps, like the one from Breeze, but it still works well for most day-to-day tasks. The 10th thing to consider is its pricing structure. Freshvine offers a fairly affordable plan compared to others in the market, especially when you look at what you get for the price. If you're comparing it to more expensive options like ACS Technologies, you'll find it to be a much more budget-friendly solution for churches that need to keep costs low. The 11th thing to note is the support system. Freshvine provides a good amount of customer service with 24/7 chat support. While it's not as personalized as some premium services like Church Community Builder, the response times are quick and the help center is extensive. Finally, the 12th thing is that Freshvine integrates with other tools such as accounting software and volunteer scheduling apps. While it integrates well with most tools, it doesn't offer as many third-party app connections as some competitors like Fellowship One, which might be a deal breaker for larger churches that need advanced integrations. In conclusion, Freshvine is a solid option for churches, particularly those looking for a user-friendly platform with strong communication and donation management tools. It's not perfect, and some features might not be as advanced as what's offered by competitors, but it's a great option for churches that need something simple and effective. However, if you're looking for something that's a little more robust and offers a wider range of integrations and advanced features, we recommend checking out our alternative solution. It's free to try, and you might find it's the better fit for your needs.